What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today is going to be a little different than usual. Heading to work right now, but before I go to work, I'm going to stop by a BMW meet that's going on here in San Diego at one of my friend's shops. It's at 3RA Motorworks. It's owned by Alvin. He's an awesome guy. He works mainly on BMWs, so we're going to stop by and check it out. It's going to be my first meet of this year, actually. I haven't gone to any meets because of the pandemic. And it's gonna be my first meet in the M3, so I'm just excited to get out there and meet some people and see some BMWs. I went from a Lexus F fan to a BMW fan real quick, so check out this shirt. I picked it up yesterday. Me and my wife went shopping for Christmas stuff and ended up seeing this shirt at Puma. I really liked it. I was really surprised it had a bunch of BMW stuff. It's all M Motorsports. It has the M Motorsports on the back. It's a pretty cool shirt. Got my flag over there, but the car's pretty clean. I cleaned it yesterday. We took it out when we went shopping, so the wheels get a little dirty from the brake dust, but we're gonna go ahead and head out and stop by this meet. I'm not gonna be doing vlogging that much just because I'm not really comfortable with that yet, but I will show you some of the cool cars that are gonna be there. I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of awesome cars, maybe some Supras. So I'll catch you guys there. Got my little road snacks. These are so bomb. If you haven't tried these, try these. These are really good. I'm sure the chocolate ones are good too, but I like strawberry better. All right, guys, let's get on the road. It's freaking nice out today. I love San Diego. It's like 75 today. We're in like middle of November. It's almost Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's this weekend and like still 75 out. You guys think I could take them? It's got a big body kit. It's probably all show, to be honest. They've had downpipes. I'll always love GTRs though, but I know it's smashing. I've been debating on getting this hood right here. It looks pretty good. I do like the stock hood, but this one it adds a little bit more aggressiveness. I like it. It's a clean car. I don't know how I feel about the yellow headlights. It was different. I do like the front mount intake stuff. I think that's dope. I almost did that, but honestly I was kind of scared with like driving in the rain and stuff since I daily mine. I just didn't want to have to not be able to drive it for stuff like that. Really clean. He's got the same diffuser as me, but he's got his tips out quite a bit further. It looks good. I don't know if I'd go out that far with mine, but it looks good. I like this car. It's clean. There's a lot of cars here. This one's super clean right here. This M4. I like the wing on it. I wouldn't do it on my car, but it looks good on the coupe. It's got a cage in there and everything. It's got a nice wheel setup too, running 305s. Super clean. These wheels are sick. I like them a lot. The diffuser's pretty clean too. I've never seen this. I'm not sure what diffuser this is. GTR is sick. I do like it. Needs a new intake filter though. Time to is sick. This M4 is pretty clean too. I like the front lip. It's a little too aggressive for me for daily, but pretty clean. The hood's pretty cool. I just don't like that it's gold, but overall pretty sick. The comp wheels. This is all the street parking because the garage out here got full, the whole parking lot. I had to park on the street. I'm about to head out though. It's not over till 4, but I gotta go to work. Pretty clean though, some clean M4s out here. That one's really clean, the gold, white on gold. That's what I really want, is gold wheels. This one's real clean. It just needs to be a little lower. I don't think you can though, because it's gonna rub, but it's real clean. It's probably fast. Super stock M2, but I really like M2s. Car looks clean. I'm surprised I didn't see no one else on Titan 7 wheels. Alright guys, overall pretty sick show. There's a lot of cars in there. There's a lot of people. There's probably like a couple hundred people, and I don't feel comfortable recording still in front of people, so I just showed you a couple of the cars I like. There's not a lot of M's, surprisingly. There's probably like 150 cars here, maybe more, and there's probably 10, 15 M's to be honest, so that was pretty cool. Well, M3, M4s. There's a lot of E90s and stuff like that, which those are cool, but I'm all about the turbocharged ones. So thanks for checking out the video. I gotta head to work. I got like 30 minutes, and then yeah, I gotta make this money because these cars aren't cheap. So appreciate you guys checking out this short video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.